Hello everyone. In this tutorial video I'd like to discuss conditional probability, which is probability of something happening given a condition. For example, if we consult this survey table, and we are given the condition is that the student chose to fly as their superpower, and we want to find the probability that the student is male, we can do this either by intuition, i.e. by looking at the graph, and seeing that the male students who chose to fly as their superpower would be 30 out of 40, or we can derive a formula in case we do not have a graph to look at. The formula would be probability of a probability with a conditional, where the conditional is indicated with a bar, is the probability of the probability without the conditional, divided by the probability of the conditional occurring. So for example, we know that there are 30 male students out of 100 total, and that there are 40 students who want to fly as their superpower out of the 100 total. So we divide these probabilities and come up with 30 out of 40, which should make sense because we are asking for the same exact probability under the same exact condition, so the results should give us the same value. Now that we have explained how conditional probability works, we can move on to methods of counting data, starting with the counting principle, and then talking about permutations and combinations after that. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.